In this video I'm going to show you how you can start a Redbubble store from scratch. It's a quick and easy sign-up process, and it's a great way for you to get into the print-on-demand e-commerce business. And the best part of it, you don't have to be an artist. Hey, I'm Mal and I'm your online mentor. I'm here to help you create the business and life you deserve. Hit subscribe and the bell so that you don't miss out. Tell me in the comments, what do you primarily want to offer on your store? Is it clothing, stationery, pillows? What are you looking to sell? And are you an artist? You don't have to be. You can get started right away. You don't even have to promote your store. Redbubble will do that for you. Isn't that fantastic? So this is an awesome business opportunity for you if you're a beginner in the online world. On Redbubble, you have all kinds of products: clothing, stickers, masks, phone cases, wall art, home and living products, for kids and babies, accessories, stationery, greeting cards. You've got it all right there. And any artwork or design that you have, you can upload it and sell it on Redbubble. So let's set up your first store. This is a creative community and you can earn money selling your stuff. Let's start. Let's join Redbubble as an artist sign up and get your shop set up today. So enter email, a username with no spaces between 4 and 15 characters, and a password of your choice. Also, get the email special offers while you're at it. Might as well press sign up and we're on the go. This is your Redbubble dashboard. Now we're gonna set up your shop. We're gonna set up your payment details and we're gonna add your first design. Yay! So let's head over to adding an avatar to start with, a cover image, social links, and a bio. Select a file on your computer. Once you've done it, it should supposedly be an image of yourself or your company logo. Press upload. Voila, there it is. The cover image should be 2400 pixels wide and 600 high, JPEG or PNG. Choose a file of your choice, upload it. I created mine on Canva. I'll make you a tutorial about that later. And then fill in your profile information, the notifications you want, and also here, your bio. It should be short, crisp, to the point, what your business is about. Once you've set the notifications, you just press save the changes and there you go. Your profile is successfully saved. Now we're going to go to edit payment details. First, we're going to confirm your email address. Once that is done, you give your postal address, your tax information, in what currency you want to get paid, and you cannot change that afterwards, so you have to be fairly sure what you want. Not all currencies are available. And do you want a bank wire or deposit to your PayPal account once you get paid, once you start earning? I'm going to go for PayPal, and once you verify your PayPal account, you're good to go. Check the Redbubble user agreements, save changes. There we are, details successfully saved. Go back to your dashboard to add social links. So with this, you can add the social links to your other profiles, and that will be displayed on your profile, on your store in Redbubble, so people can follow you on other social media. And you can embed a script, the one at the bottom here, into your web page if you want, but you don't have to have a web page. So we added avatar, image, social link, and bio. Now it's time to add a design. Upload new work. And this work, note, this work has to be JPEG, PNG, or GIF files. It has to be 1000 pixels resolution. So I'm gonna go with my keep going art design that I created on Canva, just to show you quickly how easily you upload it. Give it a title, give it tags. The tags should be about 15. You can research them on Redbubble, and then a brief description of your work so that your audience knows what it's about. Once you've done that, scroll down to see all of the products where your artwork can now be displayed and printed. So make sure that they're all enabled, because you never know what people are looking for. Maybe there's a certain dress or a t-shirt that you don't like. You don't know what people like out there. So you can scale it down, place it wherever you want to. And usually I tend to center horizontally to make sure that it's in the middle. Scroll down a bit and apply the changes. Now then just go ahead and do this for all of the products available on Redbubble. This A-line dress, I enable it, edit, I'm gonna scale this print a bit and move it, align horizontally, and then save. This is how easy this is done. Isn't this amazing? Now go ahead and do it for all of the products. Scroll down to the very bottom. This is no mature content. Save your work. I'm going to show you how to look at your store. So go to your profile, view shop, and here you are. This is your banner, this is your avatar picture. You have the categories to the left with clothing and all of the products that you want to sell. You have your bio at the bottom and the links to the social media accounts that you stated previously. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.